Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you block user on LinkedIn. If you want to block user on LinkedIn, you need to follow these simple steps. So what here you actually want to do is to block user. You first of all need to open a LinkedIn app on your device. And when you open up your LinkedIn application, this is how the interface will look. So go to the home page and look for the user or the profile that you want to block. So let's say I am actually going to block this content. So click on the profile and tap on the three dot icon right over here. And then you could go ahead and click on the block section. Otherwise, what you could also do is you simply want to go ahead and tap on the report instead of blocking them. You could just click on report, and then maybe you could select a reason and tap on the next button. Once again, do it so, and this way you'll be able to unsee the content. Or you could just go ahead and look for the profile that you wish to block. Let's say this is the one, and I'm just gonna tap on the three dot icon, and you could find the block section. If not, you could just go ahead and open up the profile, and then you click on the three dot icon and do the same thing as I listed out. So these are some of the ways you could do it. So, or this is some of the ways to block user on LinkedIn. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.